Looking to liquidate industrial assets fast or score high-value machinery without the markup? With over 40 years of experience, Premier is the go-to source for dependable CNC auction services that move equipment efficiently and at true market value. Led by industry veteran Glenn R. Gray, Premier specializes in precise asset evaluation and profitable auction execution. Whether you're offloading surplus from multiple locations or buying equipment with confidence, their team offers a strategic edge built on experience and trust. With a 60-year history as machinery dealers and 40 years of providing exceptional CNC auction services, we know your industry inside and out. Whether you're looking for full plant liquidations or single machine auctions, we've got you covered. Flexible terms, accurate valuations, and proven follow-through make Premier a trusted partner across countless markets. From handling Midway Airlines' asset liquidation of over $60 million to single machines, there's no job too small for us. Tap into the power of CNC auction services with Premier Asset Recovery Group. Call 312-280-1234 and visit premierarg.com.